Okay, let's proceed with practice problem number 10. A 15-meter tree casts a shadow at an angle of elevation of 50 degrees. So, sketch and label the trigonometric ratios. So, we're given opposite 15 meters, theta is equal to 50 degrees. So, we are required the shadow length S. So, in order to determine the shadow length, which is the adjacent, because we are given the opposite and the angle theta, our solution will be the tangent ratio or the tangent function. So solution, tangent 50 degrees is equals to opposite, which is 15 meters, over adjacent, which is S. And cross multiplying, we will be getting S equal to 15 over tangent 50 degrees, which is approximately 12.59 meters. So the final answer, the shadow S or the adjacent side is 12.59 meters. And this is the illustration. We have here theta 50 degrees, we have the opposite 15 meters, and then the adjacent side, the shadow is 12.59 meters. Number 11. A person standing 20 meters from a building looks up at the top at an angle of 35 degrees. Sketch and label the right triangle. So we're given adjacent side 20 meters, theta 35 degrees, and we are asked to determine the building height. We are going to ignore the observer's eye height. And we are going to use the function tangent of angle theta opposite over adjacent. Why are we going to use that? Because the adjacent side is given. So cross multiplying it, the value of h is equal to adjacent multiplied by the tangent of the angle theta. So our solution, h is equal to 20 tangent 35 degrees, which is approximately 14 meters. So the final answer, the height is 14 meters. And that is the illustration of practice problem number 11. The angle of inclination is 35 degrees with the ground. The adjacent side is 14 meters. And then the opposite is 14 meters. Number 12. A building casts a 25-meter shadow when the sign angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Draw the triangle and indicate the sides relative to the sign's angle. So we're given adjacent 25 meters, theta 60 degrees. So required the building height. And then the solution, we are given the adjacent and the angle theta. This is the angle of elevation of the building, and this is also the angle of elevation of the at the ground, 60 degrees. And so using the formula for tangent, h is equals to adjacent multiplied by the tangent of theta. Substitute now the value of adjacent 25 degrees and the value of theta 60 degrees. Our height can be determined by multiplying 25 to tangent of 60 degrees, which is equal now to 43.30 meters. Our final answer, the height is 43.3 meters. And that is our illustration. So the angle of inclination of the building, it's 60 degrees, and the shadow is 25 meters, and the height was computed to be 43.30 meters. Number 13. A drone hovers directly above a building at 30 meters. An observer stands 40 meters from the base. Sketch and label the triangle. So we're given the opposite 30 meters, adjacent 40 meters. Require the line of sight distance and the angle of elevation. So our solution, because the opposite and the adjacent is given using the Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse is equals to the square root of opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Substituting the given data, opposite 30 meters and then adjacent 40 meters, the answer is 50 meters. And then to get the angle of inclination, we use, because opposite and adjacent values are given, use the tangent ratio or the tangent function. And theta there can be obtained by using arctangent of opposite over adjacent, and substituting opposite to be 30 and adjacent to be 40, the angle of inclination is 36.87 degrees. So the final answer, the line of sight, 50 meters, and then the angle theta, 36.87 degrees. And this is the illustration for number 13. So the hypotenuse is 50 meters, and then the height is 30 meters, and then adjacent is 40 meters. So the angle of inclination is 36.87 degrees. Number 14. A 50-meter tall tower is supported by a cable that forms a 55-degree angle with the ground. Sketch and label the triangle with the tower, the ground, and the cable. So we're given opposite side 50 meters, theta 75 degrees, ay 55 degrees, hypotenuse, cable length. So require the cable length and the ground. So we are given the opposite together with the angle theta, and the hypotenuse is unknown. So we are going to use the sine ratio. Sine of angle theta is opposite over the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is equal to the opposite over the sine of the angle theta. So our solution, the L is equals to 50 meters over sine 55 degrees. The answer is 61.04 meters. The ground distance is L cosine of 55 degrees, which is approximately equal to 35.01 meters. So, our final answer, the length is 61.04 and the ground distance is equal to 35.01 meters by using the cosine ratio. And this is the illustration of the right triangle. We have theta 55 degrees, the tower is 50 meters, and then the length, the base is 35.01 meters, and the cable is 61.04 meters. Number 15. A person at a distance of 15 meters from a lamppost look at the top with 45 degrees angle of elevation. Sketch and label the triangle. So we're given adjacent 15 meters, theta 45 degrees. So required the height of the lamppost. So since we are given the adjacent side and the theta, so the height can be determined by using the tangent function. So solution, height is equal to 15 tangent 45 degrees is equal to 15 meters. Final answer, height is equal to 15 meters. We will have the next part of our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 1.